Years later, after finishing the army in Cyprus, I just shipped off to Boston, and I was lucky enough to get into Berkeley and get a partial scholarship. And after 4 years, I graduated with a degree in music production engineering.
So you just said there that you were in the army in Cyprus. What was that like?
It's intense. I mean, it's definitely a life experience, and it's something that I'm kind of proud for doing, and I wouldn't take it back, even though it was hard at the time. It's 2 years.
Certainly different compared to music.
Very different, very different.
Now, tell us about tomorrow, because you're performing in Shoreditch.
Yeah, I have a show tomorrow at Box Park. It's this acoustic set that they do every Sunday. And we're going to be about 6 or 7 musicians playing for 20-25 minutes each, starting at noon and finishing at about 4 p.m.
Quite good going there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great. Should be fun.
Fantastic. Now, we were speaking earlier on about any sort of advice that you can give to somebody, because you've been in the industry for quite some time now. So for anyone out there who's an aspiring musician, what advice can you give them?
The best advice I can give is, social media, the internet, it's great. But the best thing you can do is, put the hours in, hone your craft, write great songs, practice, and, when you get out there, have that wow factor that will attract people to you.
Do you think it's difficult now for people starting out to get into the music industry? Because it's all changing. I mean, on one hand, you can sort of set things up yourself. You've got social media on your side, and you can do your own thing. But on the other side, there are so many other people there, and big record labels as well.
Yeah, I mean, it's easy to get distracted. There's a lot of distractions. There's a lot of tools that, can kind of promise you exposure and this and that. But I think the biggest mistake is not being ready to use those tools. So make sure the product, the songs, the material is really good, and I think that's your ticket.
Now, you talk about being ready. How are you always staying ready? Because we asked about advice, of course, for anyone who's aspiring to get into the industry. What about people who are already in there and are somehow perhaps losing focus? What direction, and how do they stay ready all the time?
I think just constantly trying to grow as an artist, as a writer, as a singer. It's important. The moment you feel a little saturated, try and do something that gets you outside your comfort zone, and you might discover something new about yourself that you didn't know. And that's it.
Great advice there. Thank you very much indeed,
Thank you,
Metaxas, and good luck with your performance tomorrow.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Well. Okay, now a 7-day celebration.